missing terms like x plus z equals 8, x plus y plus 2z equals 17, and x plus 2y plus z equal to 16. Now we can simply reduce the system of two equations into variables, solve the resulting system of two equations into variables, use back substitution in two variables to find the value of the second variable, then find the third variable. Here what we can do, we can simply see the equation first is in terms of x and z, so we have to transform equation 2 and 3 by eliminating y. Meaning in equation 2 we can see if we multiply 2 both the sides, then x becomes 2x plus 2y plus 4z equal to 68. Now if we subtract equation 2 and 3, then y automatically eliminated and the equation transform in x and z, and now we can solve the new equation with the first equation x and z, and we can easily find out the value of x and z, and by evaluating the value of x and z, we can put the value of x and z in equation 2 or 3, and we can easily find the value of y. So now this is the question for your practice. Here in equation 1 x is absent, so 2y minus z equals 7, x plus 2y plus z equals 17, 2x minus 3y plus 2z equals minus 1. Now we have to add on the summary. The summary is answer in complete sentences. What and how do you solve a system of linear equations with three variables? Give an example from your classwork to support your explanation. Determine if the following statement makes sense and explain your reasoning. A system of linear equations in three variables x, y and z cannot contain an equation in the form of y equals mx plus b. These are the questions for your evaluation of concepts. Now this is the different kind of equation, and right now we will not try to enter in this subject because we have to clear a lots of things in the basic system of equations and also in the number system. So now here we can see there are two things are given. The first is expression and the second is equation. So 5 plus 3, x plus 3, x plus 4 into x minus 2, x square plus 5x plus 6, x minus 8. Like x plus 3 is the linear expression, x plus 4 into x minus 2 is quadratic expression, x square plus 5x plus 6 is also a quadratic expression, x minus 8 is linear expression. And if we transform this expression into equation, then we have to use the sign of equality, sign of inequality, then it will transform into equation and inequations. Like 5 plus 3 equals 8, x plus 3 equals 8, x plus 4 into x minus 2 equals 10, x square plus 5x plus 6 equals 10, x minus 8 is greater than 3, meaning x is greater than 11. तो यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं हम लोग कि एक्सप्रेशन और इक्वेशंस में कैसे इसको ट्रांसफॉर्म किया जा सकता है। इसमें जो इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट ये है कि व्हेन वी सिंप्लीफाई एन एक्सप्रेशन वी वर्क अंटिल देयर आर फ्यू टर्म्स एज पॉसिबल This process makes the expression easier to use. That's why it is called simplify. The first thing we want to do when simplification and expression is to combine like terms. ये बहुत important है कि जब भी हम लोगों को expressions को solve करना होता है, simplify करना होता है, तो like terms को हम लोगों को पहले उसको add, subtract या फिर उसको combine करना होता है. वो बहुत important है. जैसे for example, if we have to add 3 plus x plus x plus x plus 5, then 3 plus 5 equals 8, and x plus x equal to 3x, then 3x plus 8 will be the simplified form of the given expression. तो अभी we will try to do practice for an equation like minus 2 into x minus 5 by minus 2 less than 10 by minus 2, then x minus 5 is greater than minus 5. तो अभी यहाँ पे क्या है कि जैसा हम लोगों ने स्टार्टिंग में देखा था कि अगर हम लोग एक निगेटिव क्वांटिटी से डिवाइड या मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो इनइक्वालिटी चेंज कर जाता है. तो सेम यहाँ पे कि वी आर डिवाइडिंग by minus 2, then x minus 5 is greater than minus 5. So the inequality is change here, उसको हम लोगों ने कलर से मार्क किया हुआ है. Then x minus 5 is greater than minus 5, so x is greater than 0, meaning x is valid for all the positive values of the real number system. तो यहाँ पे जो इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट है वो ये है कि जस्ट एज विद एन इक्वेशन वी स्टार्ट हियर बाय डिवाइडिंग बोथ साइड्स बाय माइनस 2, जो कि सिंपल है. सिंस वी आर डिवाइडिंग बाय ए नेगेटिव सो वी मस्ट हैव टू फ्लिप द इनइक्वालिटी साइन. नेक्स्ट वी हैड 5 टू बोथ साइड्स एंड वी आर लेफ्ट विथ x ग्रेटर 0, क्योंकि शिफ्ट करने से जो साइन ऑफ इनइक्वालिटी वो मेंटेन रहेगा. तो अगर हम लोग इनइक्वालिटीज़ के बोथ द साइड्स अगर हम लोग ऐड या सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं तो उससे इनइक्वालिटी मेंटेन रहेगा. देयर विल बी नो इफेक्ट अपॉन द साइन ऑफ इनइक्वालिटी. इट्स ऑलवेज गुड टू चेक आवर आंसर. टू डू दिस, plug values in form of x. Let's try. 1, since it is greater than 0 and an easier number to work with, 1 minus 5 is minus 4, and minus 4 times minus 2 is minus 8. So is minus 8 is less than 10? Yes, sure, minus 8 is less than 10. 10 is the very big number in comparison of minus 8. So 10 is greater than minus 8 or minus 8 is less than 10. Both the things are same. Now you have to think about 4x plus 2 is greater than 10. You can simply what